Good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 10th, 2025. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is an inspection video for Ruth J. This boat is a homemade vessel, so we do want to do a quick inspection of it. Again, we've had a few concerns with it, with the chipping of the paint on the bottom. And whenever we do clean it sporadically, sometimes we have issues with your steering, depending on if we move the rudder or not. So I'm going to go ahead and get a video of it and everything to send on to Dane, to where you get the info, just so where you can see what all our concerns are for the vessel. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.